So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you not have seen my first video, do check out that video. I have given a little bit summary of what this channel about and how we gonna operate and what the video is gonna be in the future. So there will be small I'm gonna be giving a small intro. My name is Shreyansh and I'm the founder of this company and it's based in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So yeah, so while renting the car, I have seen the problem that the customers are like I have faced personally. I have faced. Then I got that hint like why they are charging that lots of money. So when we rent a car with the pets, we have to give the unnecessary money like a lots of money, something $200 to $50 for cleaning the pet's hair basically. In that moment my mind clicked that that's useless money and they should not charge that much money, because if we rent the car, the company has to clean the car. But I understand that the cleaning of pets hair would be little difficult and like time consuming, but not that $200 to $50 and charging a lots of money. So in that area, our company gonna focus on that, because I love animal and all people should love animals. They are very kind and they are very loving and they are loyal. The main thing. And so in that time that mind hits that why not to start the company of car renting, and I have interest in the cars also. So I have think about of launching the company in which they're gonna be a fixed amount, like a small amount. We're gonna charge for that, so it's not fixed yet. So you're gonna get the future updates. What gonna be look like? How what's the money gonna look like? So yeah, and some add-ons and some new services who has never provided in the car rental business industry. So stay updated, stay tuned, do subscribe the channel and do like my video. And yeah, follow for my future updates. And goodbye guys.